Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. On today's lesson, we'll be using L'Hospital rule to solve this problem. The limit is x approaches 1 plus of 1 over ln x minus 1 over x minus 1. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. So this will be the limit as x approaches 1 plus. Then here we'll do our cross multiplication. So it's going to be x minus 1 times 1. It's going to give us x minus 1. And then it's going to be ln x times negative 1. It's going to be minus ln x. Everything is all over ln x times x minus 1. Right, so when you have it like this now we can do substitution. If we directly substitute here, if we directly substitute 1 here, then 1 minus 1 is going to give us 0 minus ln 1. ln 1 is going to give us 0. So everything here is going to give us 0 on top. Then ln 1 is going to give us 0. And then 0, 1 minus 1 is going to give us 0. So we have a 0 over 0. Then we cannot directly substitute. So what we can do, we're going to do the derivative of the top part and then the derivative of the bottom part to try. So the limit as x approaches 1 plus. Here, what is the derivative of x? X is going to give us 1. So we have 1. Of minus 1 is going to be 0 of the constant. Not going to watch it. And then ln x is going to give us minus 1 all over x. Ln x is going to give us 1 over x. So we're going to have minus 1 over x here. And then here we're going to do the derivative. We're going to use the product rule to do this derivative. So okay, let's go ahead. So ln x the derivative of ln x is going to be 1 over x. Then we're going to multiply by x minus 1 plus, and then we have ln x. Ln x, then here it's going to be just 1 here, the derivative of x minus 1. So we have something like this. So to further solve this, we have the limit as x approaches 1 plus, we have 1 plus we have 1 minus 1 over x all over. When you multiply this by x, then we're going to get x over x. Then we multiply this by minus 1. Then we have minus 1 over x plus ln x. This is what we have. Then to further solve here, we have the limit as x approaches our 1 plus. Then we have 1 minus 1 over x on top. Then the denominator x over x is going to give us 1. Then we have 1 minus 1 over x. So what we have plus ln x. Okay, let's try to substitute our 1 again. When we substitute 1, we have going to have 1 over 1 minus 1, which is going to be 0 on top. Then the denominator 1 minus 1 is going to be 0 plus ln 1 is going to give us 0 again. So we have a 0 over 0 again situation. And then we're going to do the derivative of the top part and the derivative of the bottom part again. So then we're going to have the limit as x approaches 1 plus, let me write the plus properly. The limit as x approaches 1 plus, okay, the derivative of 1 is just 1. Of 1 over x is going to give us negative. So we're just going to have, because there's a minus here, it's going to give us, we're just going to have 1 over x squared as our derivative on top. Then in the bottom, we have 1 over x squared for this part. And then the derivative of ln x is going to be plus 1 over x. It's going to give us 1 over x. And then we'll try to substitute 1 now. When we substitute 1 over 1, it's going to give us 1 all over. Then 1 over 1 squared is going to give us 1 plus 1 over x is going to give us 1. So our final answer is going to be equal to 1 over 2. This is how we solve this problem. So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe on Online Education Academy ZA for more learning content. I love you all.